So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize callout block inside of Notion. So to go ahead and utilize the callout block, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, the new note right here, and then type in slash right here and type in callout just like this. So once I go around onto callout right here, you can see that I can make this stand out. Let's say for example, I can say something like interesting fact right here, just like this. And then I can simply go ahead and say, let's say for example, do you know that there is nothing faster than the speed of light? So I can simply go ahead and add this in right here, just like this. So you can see that I can go ahead and type in my regular text right here again, and type in slash right here, and then let's say for example, type in call out right here. And if I were to go ahead and select this, you got another area right here to go ahead and type in things. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the callout block inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.